In this video, I will show you how to streamline your business finances by using Claude to generate detailed invoice summaries directly from your PayPal account. This process is incredibly efficient for anyone who needs to track their cash flow without manual data entry. To get started, you first need to ensure your PayPal account is properly linked to Claude. You can do this by navigating to your settings menu and selecting the connectors option. Look for the PayPal integration and follow the prompts to authorize the connection. Once your account is linked, you can head over to the chat interface. All you need to do is copy and paste a specific prompt to get the data you need. You should ask Claude to look into your connected PayPal account and pull all invoice records from a specific time frame, such as the last 30 days or a particular fiscal quarter. To get the best results, you want to request a highly structured summary that covers three main areas. First, ask for a billing overview that shows your total dollar volume invoiced compared to the total volume actually collected. Second, request an outstanding aging list that identifies all unpaid or overdue invoices, including the client names, the specific amounts, and exactly how many days past due they are. Finally, have Claude calculate the fee impact by showing the total processing fees deducted and your final net revenue. I recommend asking for the output in a clean table sorted from the highest outstanding amount to the lowest. This makes it easy to see where your money is. Thanks for watching.